Welcome to Robato Systems, empowering manufacturing industries with smart digital solutions for real-time monitoring, downtime management, and operational excellence. When a production issue occurs, technicians are often informed manually, causing delays in response time, increased downtime, reduced productivity, and lack of visibility. Robato's smart Andon system digitizes issue reporting, automatically creates downtime tickets, notifies responsible teams, and tracks resolution in real time. The solution connects assembly lines, Andon Towers, edge devices, application servers, dashboards, and notification systems into a single integrated platform. Operators can instantly report different issue types using color-coded Andon buttons. When an operator identifies an issue, a single button press immediately triggers the Andon system. The system automatically creates a downtime ticket with complete issue information, including line number, issue type, and timestamp. Instant notifications are sent to technicians and supervisors through email alerts and live TV dashboards. The responsible technician accepts the ticket and begins investigation. The technician works on the issue, records corrective actions, and resolves the downtime event. After verification, the operator resets the Andon tower and production resumes normally. Every event is recorded automatically, providing powerful analytics, downtime tracking, technician performance monitoring, and continuous improvement insights. Gain complete visibility into plant performance through powerful reports and analytics. Track downtime, measure efficiency, export reports to Excel or PDF, and make faster, data-driven decisions. The smart Andon system improves visibility, accelerates response times, reduces downtime, and helps manufacturers achieve operational excellence. Thank you for watching. Contact Robato Systems to start your Industry 4 transformation journey today.